Welcome to Backwoods Gourmet. Today we got some frog legs. We're gonna do them up Florida cracker style, so y'all stay tuned.
Okay, Obi, what the hell did you just do?
Well, the Backwoods Gourmet, you can do anything, right?
Well, I can cook anything.
All right, so if we can't get ourselves a gator tonight that's the appropriate size.
Loose in the boat. Get it right there. He's right there. Oh, he's a big one too. Get him.
Big old bullfrog. I ain't a bullfrog, it's a pig frog.
Big frog.
Pig frog. There he is. Look at the flippers on that sucker.
the legs. Yeah,
Look at that.
He's healthy.
Hold on, wait, we gotta get him in the light so I can see him. Look at
Man,
this.
those would make
I mean,
some
that's
big
my
old
hand. He's
feet
got
on
something like that.
I mean, that's restaurant quality right there.
Yeah, that's restaurant quality frog legs.
Look at the legs.
Yeah. I mean, all we need is about 3 dozen more of those.
He's a jumper.
Let's get 3 dozen more of those, and we'll have a meal.
All right, well, we got some work to do.
All right, so our plan for today's video is to do this on an open fire. Weather is not cooperating with that. Raining right now. I even have my bucket of wood right there, ready to go. Make some coals. So, you know, like I said all the time, you go back and look at our video on top 10 tips for outdoor cooking. Always have an alternate fuel source. Today we do have that here at the studio, and that's going to be the Concord double burner propane stove. All right, so first of all, here's our frog legs, and we've had these marinating in milk for about 3 hours today. Okay, these are pretty nice looking legs here. And we're going to do them cracker style. This, you know, when I say cracker, I mean Florida cracker, you know, old down here in Florida recipe. And this is what they would have done, you know, back 100 years ago when they were eating things like this just to survive. Maybe more than 100 years ago, but I mean, it is 2018. But this, supposedly the old timers say this process takes the taste of the swamp out of the frog leg and makes it taste more like chicken. So we'll find out. So anyway, we got those marinated 2 hours in a nice cold whole milk. You can also use buttermilk. I think that even works better. I didn't have any, so we used regular whole milk. All right, guys, it is really storming around, so we're going to try to hurry this process up. What we're going to make right now is our egg mayo wash. If you've watched our channel long enough, you know we use this all the time with fried foods. It's a heaping tablespoon of mayo. We may go just a little bit more for this amount of legs we got. And 1 fresh egg from our chickens. They're out there scratching around the yard in the rain right now. They love it. All right, and we're just going to take a whisk. We're going to beat those together until it's nice and smooth. Okay, there you go. About the consistency of really thin pancake batter. All right, we'll set that aside for right now. Done with that portion. So we got our legs over there. We're going to bring over another bowl. And we're going to get ready to batter these guys up. All right, let's go ahead and start battering our frog legs. I'm going to bring over 3 or 4 at a time out of the milk here. We're going to toss them in the fish fry and take them off over onto, I got a platter over here. This is going to be their first trip through this mixture. So anybody can figure out how to do this, simply dredging. Now they got that milk on them, so that's going to help that first round stick to them. These are going to be extra crispy, all right? Alright. Look pretty good. Bring them all over here. Now, you see how your battery, you know, the moisture has gotten it all clumpy. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to add a little more fresh battery in there for the second round. We'll go ahead and do that right now. Finish up that bag. And of course we want some more seasoning on it, so we're going to go ahead and more Seminole Swamp seasoning right on in there. Just toss this with our fingers again, and now we got a freshened up batter. But those little chunks that have formed from getting wet on that first time are actually even going to make our coating even better. You want to just take that leg and just get it good and coated on both sides with that egg mayo mixture with any excess drip off, and go right over into the batter. Alright guys, so we're racing the rain. We're going to start going in with our frog legs one at a time. Be very careful, lay them away from you, not like I did on the first time there. Probably only want to put about 4 or 5 in at a time. I got a lot of oil in here, so I don't want it to overflow. This is the Lodge, the newer Lodge deep fry skillet that comes with the cover. It's great for frying chicken, great for deep frying just about anything. I'll leave you a link where you can buy this on our Amazon store. So go out there and check it out. They look like that, ready to come out. Just like chicken, don't want to overcook them. So I turned the fire down. That still got a lot of heat in it. So what I'm going to do is I have a nest of spiral cut red potatoes. And they're going to slowly just drop right in the middle. I cut these a while ago. I soaked them in cold water and key lime juice. Now just season them with a little bit of Seminole Swamp, no MSG. So those won't take but a second and we'll pull them right off. So we managed to get everything done, even though it's raining outside. So let's plate it up Backwoods Gourmet style. All right guys, let's plate this up Backwoods Gourmet style. See us do our little nest of fried spiral cut Irish potatoes right there. Gonna bring them in first. Right on top of that. Let's go about 3 of our croakers there. Right on top of that. You see us doing those sweet potato chips. Well, those turned out really well. Just gonna put those around this side there a little bit. Put them in there. And you know, earlier we made this beautiful coleslaw. I'll give a nice little scoop of that right in the back right there. Yeah, getting it all over the place. There you go. There's frog legs, fried potatoes, and coleslaw. So all you that are still watching right now are just waiting on it, aren't you? Waiting on it. Let's go in for a taste. Man, look at that. Truly awesome. Falling off the bone. Tell you what, that is a true treat from the marsh or the swamp or wherever else you caught them. So if you ever get a chance to try frog legs, I would highly recommend it. Here we just, going to show you how to cook them because that's what we do here at the Backwoods Gourmet. So if you like what we're doing, please hit that like button right down there. To subscribe to our channel, you can do it right here. To see another great Backwoods Gourmet video, it's going to be right there. And for a whole playlist, cast iron, Dutch oven cooking, it's going to be right up there. We'll see you next time.
He just hand grabbed this thing right off the top of the lily pad.
He's pretty
It
pissed,
was
too.
pretty freaking awesome. I'll tell you that right now.